I be the man with the plan, hey. I just be chasing these bands, hey. Came here with my mans, yeah. Loud pack in my pants. They ain't never had a chance, so I do what they can. Oh, I know what they mad. They see the things that I have, yeah. I be the man with the plan, hey. I just be chasing these bands, hey. Came here with my mans, yeah. Loud pack in my pants. They ain't never had a chance, so I do what they can. Now I know what they mad. They see the things that I have, yeah. I ain't never losing focus. Put these bitches on notice. I got gas like Chevron, I know they know this. I put racks down on the garments. About to ice my wrist out. Them boys take no shots at me, they know that's a risk now. My thoughts be on the currency. Lil' mama said she heard of me. I'm the man with the plan to get rich before I turn 23. I'm Steph Curry with the in and out. KD with the pull up. I want that max deal. I feel like I don't get enough. Pussy boy, you ain't good enough. I ain't never been worried, yeah. High as fuck when I walk in. My cologne is backwoods and Burberry. Designer on me, I'm a pretty boy. Probably pull up with a pretty bitch. I ain't saving feelings anymore. Now they acting so sensitive. Probably mad they repetitive. Probably mad this ain't competitive. Probably mad that I laid low, then I came up, now I'm getting it. Slight work, I ain't breaking sweat. Gold glisten on my chest. Gold dancing on my neck. I'm the one, no contest. I be the man with the plan, hey. I just be chasing these bands, hey. Came here with my mans, yeah. Loud pack in my pants. They ain't never had a chance, so I do what they can. Now I know what they mad. They see the things that I have, yeah. I be the man with the plan, hey. I just be chasing these bands, hey. Came here with my mans, yeah. Loud pack in my pants. They ain't never had a chance, so I do what they can. Now I know what they mad. They see the things that I have, yeah. I'm a young boss, I be doing it. Never see me with the average. Hating on me, that's the saddest shit. Step back like you won the Mavericks. My pen game been real nice. Ain't nobody else do it right. Ain't nobody gonna see me. Ain't nobody putting up a fight. I'm a cash fiend, I just eat to the plate clean, then I re-up. Then I blow it again on some lavish shit. I've been frivolous, I don't give a fuck. I've been going up, ain't no doubt about it. Ain't no hesitation, I do not allow it. Now I'm charged up, I can feel the power. I've been flexing on them for 1,000 hours. Your main bitch wanna fuck with me. I don't know if I'ma fuck with her. I just might have to fuck tonight. By tomorrow, had enough of her. I'm just working through the game plan. For so long, I was patient. I used to never really give a fuck. Now I turn heads when I came in. What the fuck you know about that? Federer with the backhand. Okay, stay high rank.